Hello everyone. Let's talk about what we got today. Is that is the stock is Concor, Container Corporation of India. So we took a target for around 900 rupees for the 1.5 year. Basically, the Container Corporation is a major logistic company specialized in the container transportation and offer multiple logistic solutions in international as well as the domestic trades. So if we're talking about the financials or if we're talking about the company fundamentals, then from 2019 to 2023, the company financials shows a steady increase in the revenue, reaching the highest of around 8,427 crore in 2023. So apart from these risings, it would be increased their debt also some around 715 crore in 2023. But company conditionally, they are easy to improve their profits, PAT after tax over the year with 1,168.20. So this is quite be a very much positive trends in the longer terms if we're talking about the company fundamentals. So now if it shows that the companies, what the companies are overviews and how the companies are expanding. So I am recently overviewed their companies propositions in the EXIM sector because they are belonging to the directly with that. So they are domestically increasing their whole commitments. Apart from that, companies are currently ordering 6,000 containers and plan more 2,000 containers to indicate matching their own demanding from the international market. As we know that there are some huge response and huge opportunities coming from the international as well as the domestic proposition, because as we saw, there's so much good numbers coming from the GDPs. So now if we're talking about the promising outlook of the company future growth, so EXIM sector is increasingly talk about the propositions what we are focusing right now. So despite we just focus on the positive sides, let's focus on the what the challenges are going on to the EXIM sector, because there's a biggest challenge right now is to increasing the empty inventory. So they are more focused on that particular track also, and they are go with the domestic volumes and increasing the logistic parts to the not the developed countries as well as the tier 3 countries too. So now if we're talking about the holding pattern of the company, then the promoter still holds their 54.8% on all the quarters, and FI just fluctuating from around 22 to 22.25, and DI is currently holding 9.27. So if we're talking about the whole parameters and the company ROI, because if we're talking about the company ROI in the last 5 years, then it would be some around 11.72, and company P ratio is 30, and the sector P ratio is 30.73. So the P ratio is slightly lower than the sector average. So we just suggest that the company stocks are more valuable relative to the attractive prices right now what we are getting right. So that's the reason we are looking out this stock for the target of 900 for the next 1.5 years. And if we're talking about the government also projections, then the Atmanirbhar Bharat concepts and every other details how the export numbers are going. So this sector and this particular stock is going to be fixed to it.